Hello, we're group number 10, and we would like to share our findings on why data science is useful in QA. For starters, our beloved ISTQB. You all know what ISTQB is, and some of you probably own one or more of their certificates. Moreover, Exactpro is their platinum partner. So the guys in ISTQB conduct surveys, and they published Worldwide Software Practices Report 2017-18, to which contributed more than 2,000 people from 92 countries. One of the questions was, which new technologies or subjects will be important to the software testing industry in the following 5 years? And the result is that exponential growth in computational power and available data make artificial intelligence with 49.9% and big data with 49% as the second and third most important subject to software testing industry, respectively. We see two different data science application perspectives. First is test software with help of data science, because complex systems testing requires data science to help throughout test process. And test data science related software, because data science related systems themselves need to be tested somehow. Therefore, data science knowledge and practices are vital in making it happen. The second seems obvious, so let's have a look a bit closer at the first. According to Johns Hopkins University data science course, the goal is to ask the right questions, manipulate datasets, and create visualizations to communicate results. In testing, it's almost the same. We also see papers about machine learning for test case generation and test automation. We could analyze big data in product logs, test tools logs, and bug trackers. Any visualization for test and product quality reports could be of help. Plus, creating a measure to quantify the quality of data and models. We found the following main principles of working with data: collection of information about the testing system, validation, leveling of anomalies that do not affect the result and interfere with further analysis, examination of data, confirmation of assumptions, presentation of information in an understandable form, in graphs and charts, and data-based decision-making, for example, in what areas of the product can anomalies appear. Again, data science also deals with data and asks similar questions like QA to eventually help out business, but how it works is slightly different and could be very useful for testers. Let's discuss a few areas where we could implement data science in the testing process. Many times as a tester we need to look into logs and get the useful information. However, this problem could be tackled by using data mining techniques. You never have the time to test everything, and data science can help you reduce risk while keeping that edge in time to market. When we write test cases, we test how the software is supposed to behave, and often there is no real data with us. But testing has an inherent business component in it. It's not just about making sure that the system works properly, but also that it achieves the goal to a certain standard. We put few areas where we've read could be the possibilities of leveraging the power of data science in software testing. As we know, data science and AI are an evolving field, and with time it might add a whole new dimension to software testing. Thank you. That's who we are, and we have no idea what most of the words in previous slides mean. The internet just suggests they are related to data science and could be useful in quality assurance. And we can see that it's trending. Maybe we will have learned some of them in 3 months by the end of the course.